But you have just put the tika and all this.
I don't know, sir, why they chosen me in the bad company. I wanted to be a part of good company, but
Don't make. Please bring your parents tomorrow.
All
and
right,
go,
sir.
Go outside of the class. I don't want to see your face. Go
Okay,
outside of the class.
sir.
What will I learn from these things?
You will learn some practical skills which is very necessary for your future. Know what is the assignment, what is the
and
homework.
sir, what is the benefit of assignments, sir? What is the benefit?
It enhance your knowledge.
We will write the 4 and 5 pages of assignment. What will the benefit of this assignment, sir?
Insult, guys. We are not insulting you.
You
insult yourself.
Who said to complete the assignment?
Good morning everyone. It's a great privilege and honor to be a part of this role play session where me and my team is going to perform in a role play. The theme of this role play will be good company and bad company. Firstly, let me introduce with my characters of this role play. So they are in bad company.
Hello, friends.
Bad people. Bad people, yes.
So they are in good company.
Okay, very good, nice.
Sohail and Raja are cops.
Two cops are there, yes, very good.
So without any further delay, let's start the play. So today is the last day of submitting assignments. Please submit your assignment one by one.
Have you completed your assignment?
No, I didn't complete.
Hello, where's your
Pages are
assignment?
pending there.
Wow.
You have to give, okay?
Wow. Beautiful. Keep it up. You made it. You made it.
Here is my assignment, sir.
Wow. Very good assignment. You
Thank
made
you
it
so
very
much, sir.
beautiful. Keep
Thank
it
you,
up.
sir.
Sir, there are 2 pages are pending. I
Two
will
pages are
complete tomorrow.
pending.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Complete it before today.
Actually, sir, I forget at home.
You don't forget to eat food.
No, sir, it's mandatory for me.
Don't make fully excuses. Where's your assignment? Tell me.
Actually, I said no, I forget at home.
Don't make. Please bring your parents tomorrow.
All
and
right,
go,
sir.
Go outside of the class. I don't want to see your face. Go
Okay,
outside of the class.
sir.
Where's your assignment?
Sorry?
You don't know. I have given you assignment last week.
When?
Last week.
When, sir? I was absent or I came. I didn't heard that when
So whose duty it is? So it is your duty to know what the
Actually,
homework
sir,
is.
Yes, I asked to my friend. She said to me about that and I made. But when I was coming, I went in drain and it was like that wet. So how can I come with?
Don't make fully excuses.
No, sir. Literally, I'm not making excuse.
Call your parents tomorrow and go outside of the class.
Okay.
I don't want to see you. Next. Where's your assignment?
Sir, I don't know about any assignment.
Where are you? Where are you stay?
Sir, I was watching the latest web series, Fallout Season 3.
Don't you know that it is a very crucial time of your
Sir,
life?
why you give us assignment? What will I learn from these things?
You will learn some practical skills which is very necessary for your future.
But I want to have
Don't
fun with my
don't
friends.
argue with me. Have you done your assignment?
No, sir, I did not.
Go outside of the class and call your
Sir,
parents tomorrow. I don't want
I
to
have
see you.
knee pain,
Go.
sir. I cannot go.
Go outside of class. I don't want any
Okay, sir.
argument. Next. Where's your assignment?
So assignment of which subject, sir?
You don't know what subject is.
I am not able to remember that what assignment I had to do and I had to done.
Ask your classmates. They already done their assignments and you did not.
I don't care about them, sir. They are not in my team and they are not part
They are
of
your
my
classmates.
Class. They are not a part of
It is
my
your
class.
duty to know what is the assignment, what is the
And
homework.
sir, what is the benefit of assignments, sir? What is the benefit?
It enhances your knowledge.
We will write the 4 and 5 pages of assignment. What will the benefit of this assignment, sir?
I don't want
There is no
fully
end
excuses.
benefit.
I don't want fully excuses. Go outside of the class and stand your raise. Raise your hands. Go outside of the class.
Yes.
Yeah, why they give us boring assignment?
I don't know. yaar. He was trying to seduce us.
Yeah, see,
I don't even want to come here. I just come here because of family pressure.
and that
Yeah.
professor was trying to insult us after
Yeah.
the class, after
Yeah.
the lectures. We were seeing him.
And he doesn't know that how much we are good friend of those students.
I was bored in the class. It's very boring.
That was just of wasting time,
And
guys.
I don't know why professor always focus on that good company students
Hey, drink
like.
this.
Hey, let me try.
We have to do
Very
something about that good
amazing.
company.
You know, guys, there are so many times in my life. I just want to say that stuff, and
Yeah,
I want to
have it,
know.
Yeah, we also
Please.
have
Have it,
one
yeah,
of-
have it.
Let's have a.
Yeah.
one of biggest problem is our
Yeah.
professor. So
And the second problem
We
is
are
that good
targeting.
company people and the students of that good company. The main problem is them.
You should hire someone.
So guys, what are the future
Hey,
plans?
handsome.
Hello,
Come,
bro.
just
Just come, bro.
Don't go there. I'm not
Hey,
coming.
Bro,
come,
just
just
come.
come.
No, we will not
Come,
come
bro.
at yours.
Hello, brothers.
You want to try?
We want
okay,
some
okay.
alright.
Sir, wait, guys. If you don't want to come, just you come to me. I want to say something to you.
You will stand here. One second. Okay, what happened, guys?
Just come close.
Are you mad? What are you doing?
What
You
you
want
did
some-
in class?
What
Did you?
I will complain, professor, about
Yes,
this.
you can.
You all were trying to insult us. Why in the class?
You are
Why?
like an insult, guys. We are not insulting you.
Yes,
Hey,
you are.
you
And
insult
who said-
yourself.
Who said you to complete the assignment?
Yes.
Who said you?
Hey, pathetic guy, just
Who
go
said
away, okay? Just
I
go. We don't want to talk to you.
I don't want to argument with you.
Hey, guys.
Brajesh, come
Oh,
here.
Brajesh,
Hey,
come
guys,
here.
come.
Bro,
Come,
I'm
professors.
Bro, come.
It's heaven.
Bro, come.
Don't
Bro,
come
come
here.
here.
Come,
Bro.
come, come,
Come, bro. There is only one life, bro. Enjoy the life. There is only one life. Why do you always focus on assignments and acting? What is this?
Chalo, yeah.
Yeah, it's heaven.
Okay, just tell
Just take it. Just take it. Have it,
Just
bro.
one sip.
Have
You
it.
will lose your dreams.
Oh, oh.
Did you see the fairy?
Hey, bro, what you are doing? Just
enjoy the life.
What are you doing, guys?
Come, bro. Come.
Come, bro. Just take
What
one
is this?
sip.
Come, bro.
What is
You will
this?
see
Guys,
paradise.
this
Have it, bro. Have it.
You will see paradise.
What is this, bro?
It's
Paradise. It is paradise.
too tasty, guys.
you want to try?
Okay, you don't like, just try this.
Yes.
Try this.
It will give you peace which you don't have. Just
It's
try.
heaven, this piece.
How is it?
You like it?
It is not tasting good.
This-
Hi, bro. What you are saying that?
This
It's
taste is
your
very
first
good.
time.
Yeah.
I am very happy feeling now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just listen.
Look at
Listen,
us,
bro.
guys.
Yeah,
Just
just listen,
enjoy.
bro. Just enjoy the life. There is only one life we get.
Yes, you are the
We
right.
get
thing.
only one life.
Yes, you are the
So
right.
why do you always focus on study,
Yeah.
assignment, practice? What is this? What is this?
Look at our professor. He is still teaching us.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
professor
why
is
do
And
you
the
feel
salary
like-
of and the salary of him is only 30,000-40,000. What he is doing?
And we just splurge that much money. Look at us.
Yeah.
This, you know what? What is the cost of this
Yeah.
secret?
Yeah.
You know,
No, no.
more.
5,000 rupees.
Yes,
One thing.
I take it.
Yeah, have it.
Yeah,
have it,
just
bro.
try it. That's it.
What happened?
What happened, bro?
What happened?
What happened, bro?
Are you okay?
Bro.
We should run. I think we should run.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Just run away.
Go.
Friend,
What's going on here?
call the police.
Take his breath. It's totally alcohol. It's Please seize it and put it inside the jail.
Put inside the jail.
Yes.
And if someone will come, don't release him without my permission.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. I will keep an eye on him.
Okay.
What are you doing there?
Sorry, sir. My time is the fully board, so I take it a while. So I am very nervous.
So you don't feel that it is harmful for your health also?
Yes, sir. I know, but I will hang out with my friends, so I will do this.
Yeah, that is why you are in the prison.
You sir
And-
will call me my parents.
No, I will not call. My senior officer,
Sorry, sir. I will do this note next.
but I cannot let you out. but I cannot let you go
Yes, sir, but call my parents.
until or unless your parents there.
Yes, sir, please call my parents.
Okay.
So guys, at the end of the story, what we saw, there is a smoker team. So we should not take smoke, we should not take cigarette because it's very harmful for our health. It's very injurious to our health. We just drink here just for the role play, just for the activity we don't use in our real life. So I will give advice to all the people, don't take cigarette and don't drink any alcohol.
So as guys we saw that he was caught without any his mistake. So I would like to say the one thing that we should never run behind a small happiness. It can ruin our entire life.
So, friends, I would like to end this role play with a quotation. It is better to be stay alone rather than in a bad company.